Hey guys, Juan from ReveMoto, and today we are working on this 2024 Acura Integra Type S front bumper removal. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on push notification. And if you guys need this bumper already painted to color match the exact color of your vehicle and shipped straight to you, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body part source. Let's go ahead and get started on this one. Alright, the first thing we're going to be doing is lifting up the hood. So this one's already unlatched. I'm going to lift that up. So if you look here, you're gonna see all these push pins, like right here, all around the top of the bumper. We're gonna go ahead and take that off. Alright, so if you guys have a panel removal tool like this one right here, it's gonna make it a lot easier for you guys to take off these push pins, like this. And just push up on it, and that one down there, so we'll go find that one later, but it's gonna make it easier for you guys to go like this. And push up on it and take it off. But if you guys don't have something like that, there's always gonna be a flathead screwdriver like this one. You just go around it and should be popping up the top and should come off like that. But since I have a panel removal tool, I'm going to go ahead and utilize that so make this job a lot easier. There's another one right here, another one right here is already broken. Another one right here. So if you guys just go around the top of the bumper, you'll see a lot of those push pins. And just follow through. Alright. So you guys can see once that's all off, the top piece is just gonna come right off now. See? It's pretty easy now on the top part. But we do have more push pins on the side, so we're gonna go ahead and turn the wheel that way. And if you guys look right here, so you guys can see there's more push pins right here, so we're gonna go ahead and take that off. It looks like this. So these are like one-time use, so they break a lot, but if you guys get lucky enough not to break them, they look like this. But you can always buy these at your local Acura dealership. So then you also have like this screw right here. We're gonna go ahead and take that off. So all it is a screwdriver, like a screwdriver like this one. Go ahead and take this one and untie it, just like that. So this bumper's almost off, but if your bumper wasn't damaged like mine, there's gonna be a screw down here too. So right here next to the fender, let me show you guys that. You see? There's another screw right there. Alright, so you guys can see the bumper's almost off. We're gonna go ahead and go on the other side and do the same exact thing. But we're gonna turn the wheel. So same thing over here. Go ahead and take off this push pin right here. and then this screw. And then again, one right here, right underneath the fender. So now, as you guys can see, this bumper's pretty low. I would jack it up so you guys can get underneath. So I have race ramps. I'm gonna put this up and show you guys how to take off the under bolts on this bumper right here. So if you guys have a power tool like this one, perfect. But if you guys have a ratchet tool, same thing, it's just manual. But you guys need a 10mm right there. I'm gonna go ahead and go underneath. So just follow along and check out all these 10mm. So it looks like there's only 4 of them. Okay, more than 4, looks like 5. But that sounds like an uneven number, so I think there's gonna be 6. Let me see where I'm missing one. Alright, so 3 here, and usually there's 3 there, there's gonna be 3 over here. Yep, there's one that I'm missing right there. So there's usually even number of bolts. Alright, there we go. So now we're gonna go ahead and take off all these push pins. So for me, I like to start on the corner, so right here. We're just gonna follow along on the bumper side. So the bumper looks like it ends like right here. So we're gonna go ahead and take off all of these right here. It looks like you're just gonna follow the outer edge of the bumper. We got a few more last push pins right here to take off. Alright, so it seems like the bumper is already loose. I think we should be able to slide it out now. Alright, so we should be able to go ahead and slide the bumper out. So usually I go on one side. So usually I go on one side and kind of pull it out, but this one's already, so you guys can see, damaged and it's already pulled out by itself. What you guys do have to watch out for is that there's sensors right here. So when I pull it out, I'm going to show you guys how to take off those wires without actually dropping the bumper all the way down, causing some more damage to those sensors. So first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and take off the top. You guys can see it's already loose. You know what? It's probably best for us to take off these two, because then, yeah, let's take these off, because so what I realized is the bumper's actually glued on there to this thing. That's why I didn't pull too hard, because this bumper should just come off easily. If I feel any resistance, then I stop and actually double check, making sure I took off all the bolts, but I didn't take off these push pins right here. Let me take off those. So as you guys can see, the bumper just fell down like that one, but it doesn't usually fall like that, okay? Just this one was damaged already, so a lot of this stuff is already broken. But for the most part, right here guys, you guys have this sensor right here, okay? So when you pull the bumper down, I usually support it, and you guys unplug this harness right here, okay? And then this is connected to like these harnesses right here. In particular, this one is connected to the front of the harness, like where the sensors are. So I'm gonna plug this one back in. Don't forget, but yeah, I'm gonna plug this one. Leave that there, and then on this side, there's gonna be this plug right here. Again, that's gonna be a sensor, but you unplug it right here, and that should be that one sensor you guys need right here. Okay, over here, this is the other plug, see, right here, and unplug it right there, and that's the plug right there, and then that should be it. The other thing that you guys have to watch out for, so you guys can see, this customer doesn't have fog lights, but if there's a fog light, there's a harness there too. Okay, so now you can go ahead and pull the bumper out. There you go, that's your bumper. Alright guys, that's how you take off a 2024 Acura Integra Type S front bumper. If you guys have any questions, comment down below and I'll answer all those questions for you. Thank you guys.